Oh yeah, it's a bird because there's one going that way.
Oh yeah, that's a bird.
There was a whole bunch of them.
No, that's like a seagull.
This is a bird. There's water underneath that.
Oh jeez.
Dad like this.
Yeah. I miss him.
Yeah.
He's the life of the party.
Either that is because she's the bridge.
Anybody went to talk? That's him. He'll be the talk
Sounds or vibrations.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at all that shit down
Absolutely.
there.
I know. I'm looking at it.
Yes, sir. Ma'am. Great. Alright, bro. All the good stuff is in a male, like sir, bro, cuz. Well, cousins doesn't mean male, but I need to leave on here. No.
I'm surprised we have it.
She's hanging with Jenny right now.
Yeah. They'll find something to do. I hope when Jenny, she go to Jason's here.
Oh, I don't know if she's going there or not.
That's what I'm saying with all the shit he did.
She might not.
I know. I don't blame her because, he ain't doing nothing for her.
Maybe Jay will come down for Sia's birthday.
Oh, yeah. Remember he came last time?
So she told me to get anything that she got the wrestlers already that he wanted.
Okay. So we can buy him clothes or whatever.
It was
We'll see what's around.
what was it that he wanted? It was 2 wrestlers and he got them.
Oh, okay.
She got them.
Then we'll just look around and see what we see. I'm always buying clothes anyway.
Yeah, some of the older wrestlers you might not have.
Yeah. We'll look around and see what we see. Yeah. Or they'll have some of those new ones coming out.
She can't see.
Oh, look at it.
Yes.
There's a lot at the bottom there.
7.5 minutes and they're doing the finale already?
I was going to say, why are they doing it now? It's too early. I'm saying if I walk.
I think they ended it.
That's crazy if they are.
Then again, I'm saving a few hours
I
for the
know.
pocket.
Yeah. Having bright ideas.
No, but why are you blocking my number?
Look at that.
I didn't take the phone. Why are you saying no?
I didn't block your number.
Oh, maybe he ain't under that.
No,
Okay.
you I pay for your phone. You can't block me.
It was just a thought.
The one I recorded the other day was like
The ones in East Milford?
3 or 4, 6, 7
Look at
minute
all the
videos.
ducks.
Yeah.
Look at all the ducks
So
and
it
the
was like
geese.
at least like 20
Look at all of
minutes.
them.
Yeah.
They came to watch the fireworks too. Look at them.
I know. Dang, look at them all. Yeah. Yeah. I thought it was like sticks at first, and then I'm like, oh shoot.
Duck party.
We're checking out the fireworks.
Yeah.
You see the geese?
Let's see if I can get them.
I know, that's crazy.
Oh, look at
Hold that
Alright, that's a whole geese family right there.
There's a whole line full of them.
Look at them all. Pretty cool.
Whoa, look. Yeah.
See the green building downtown Bridgeport. Bridgeport, Connecticut. My hometown.
My hair is all a mess.
Mom, what was the point of telling me not to take it off if you're just gonna take it off?
You're making me hot.
Get off the bed. Get off the blanket. Get off the blanket. What's this called?
When you used to feed the ducks at Beersley, they all come together.
Yeah.
I don't think so. I don't know. No, it's not a roll.
Yeah, I never seen them stop like
I
that.
know.
They take sometimes a pause. My headphone been in. I'm trying to fix it because it's about to fall